Hi everyone, this is attorney Amy Long here, immigration lawyer, here to talk to you about an important immigration update that will affect businesses and their employees, and that is the H-1B registration process. So first, a little bit about me. I'm an immigration lawyer. My office is now located in Fall River, Massachusetts, and I have been practicing immigration law for a decade. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit about this process and hopefully cover the major points. The registration period for H-1B applicants is something new. It was not implemented previously. This is a brand new process, and you're going to need some guidance on how to go through it. Both attorneys and employers are having an educational process that they have to go through in order to complete the registration. So employers are being asked to register for the H-1B, for an H-1B visa. Of course, there's only so many visas allotted, a total of 65,000 visas, 20 for the master's cap. The registration process goes from March 1st until March 20th. So even though we're in the middle of January, it is not too soon to begin preparing for that, to begin gathering documents and preparing for that. Employers are asked to pay $10 per beneficiary per registration, so that has to be paid by the employer and not by the foreign national. So that's something to keep in mind. Your attorney can register you for you. They can go online and do it. And payment is accepted by check, credit, or debit only. Those are the forms of payment that are allowed. USCIS has informed us that they're going to make their selections by March 31st. It's unclear whether or not there'll be a wait list, but they will be making selections by March 31st. Whether or not premium processing will be available has not yet been announced. After an employer is selected for the registration, they will have 90 days to file. Again, this is a preliminary rule. This is being refined. They're saying at least 90 days, so plan on it being a 90-day period in which to file. To register, you or your employer is going to need your legal name. That's the legal name of the company, the name under which your company is doing business as, your employment identification number that the IRS has assigned to you, your primary U.S. office address, and the signatory's information, which would be name, title, phone number, and email. This is a preliminary information that's going to be needed in order to complete the registration process. Those of you who are in the United States currently on an F1 student visa are going to have concerns about the cap gap. And what they have told us is that the cap gap becomes effective with the filing of the H-1B petition, not the H-1B registration. So stay tuned for additional information on that. If you have any questions, please call or text. I can be reached at 703-898-0975. Again, I am an immigration lawyer, and I look forward to answering any questions that you might have or assisting you in the registration process. Thank you for listening, and have a great day. Good luck with your H-1B registration.